Hello, do you know what commas or full stops are? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, commas and full stops, you'll usually learn about that in English, but in maths you use it as well. You use it in everything in your day-to-day. So a comma is used so how you can separate a sentence so you can have a breath. So you can go, I went to the store and brought some milk, and a comma could look something like this, okay? Or you could use a word to separate it, but commas look like that. And a full stop is what you use at the end of the sentence, so it stops. So you could go, hello, my name is Hugh. I live in, and then you can keep going. So you keep going. So a full stop would be where you stop of the sentence, and a comma would be where you separate that sentence so you can keep going a little bit longer. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!